In this video, I'm going to explain how to move around the editor canvas as well as use the select tool. So one of the most important tools in our editor is the pan tool. You can get to it by clicking this hand icon here, or pressing H, or by holding space at any time. So once selected, I can left click and drag to move around the canvas. If I need to zoom in and out, I can click these zoom controls here, or I can use my trackpad, or I can scroll in and out. So there's several different ways to zoom in and out. Let's say, for example, though, I'm drawing using the wall tool, and I start drawing my wall here, but I want to get over to this edge of the screen. Let me zoom in a little bit more. What I can do is hold the space bar or center click on my mouse, which would be holding the scroll wheel, and the pan tool will activate, and then I can left click and drag over and connect my wall. So in that way, you don't actually have to individually activate the pan tool every time. You can do it very quickly while you're mapping using spacebar. And lastly, I'll explain a little bit about the select tool. So we can activate this using V or just by clicking select. And this really just allows us to select different components. So I can select a room or doors, windows, etc. If I want to do a multi-selection, I can select something and then hold shift. And you can see here it's just adding more rooms to my selection. I can also left click and drag to do a marquee select, and then everything within that window will be selected. So those are just some helpful tips for getting around the map and selecting components.